What's up and good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to attempt to sandblast my frame rust on the 2007 III project. I went ahead and picked up this 150-pound bag of play sand from my local Lowe's because they actually had theirs inside in a dry bag. Some places I seen had sand in plastic bags outside. You could see the moisture in the bag from when it rains, and I didn't want that because I went and picked up an Amazon dustless blaster kit for my power washer that I'm going to be trying to use. And if you have any moisture in that, it's not going to work right. I went ahead last night and cleaned out this bucket with some water because it was full of dirt, and I wanted it to dry overnight because any moisture in this will probably plug up. So right here you can see what we're looking at for us before. I'm not sure how much this one bag will do, but I'm hoping it'll be enough. And all I've done, I've needle scaled this whole frame really quick just to get the bulk of the rust off, and I'm just pretty much going to pull it outside, sandblast it the best I can. I also went ahead, I don't know if you guys seen, but in another video I cut out the spare tire thing, and I got this new one in there, which looks great. I'll get that cleaned up as well. And then, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get under here the best I can. For under the cab, I'm probably just going to kneel down right here and blow it at this the best I can. I'm not going to be laying on the ground over this. And I guess also I'm going to go ahead and get up under the cab a little ways. There's a certain point up here. When I pulled the engine on this truck to reseal it, I just wire wheeled it and used POR 15, which is what I'm going to use again. But as you can see up under here, I didn't get the whole thing. So I'm gonna say that's enough talk for now, and I'll get this thing set up and show you what we're working with. So I did go ahead and pick up this bag of Black Beauty, which is actually sandblasting media. The play sand ended up having a lot of rocks in it and it kept plugging up, so I had to dump it out. This bag here though of actual blast media worked way better. As you can see, the back of the cab and everything gets absolutely covered with this sand, so I'm going to go ahead and actually power wash this again with just straight water to clean it before I pull it inside and paint it. right, you guys, here you officially have the end result. Looks pretty good to me. I did go ahead when this dried and took some flat black Rust-Oleum spray paint. I got 3 cans of it and went over it after I let it sit overnight. I put the first coat on, which I think I got a couple clips of that, but this is messy and I don't want to get it on my camera. So that's why I just threw this in at the sandblasting video. After that though, I let it sit for I think 4 hours, and then I went and brushed on a second coat, and then this morning I went and got out just a spray can and went over everything. So here's, you guys can see the rocker repair, the frame, all looking really nice. The new spare tire mount we threw in there. So now when someone gets under the truck, they're not gonna see that nasty hole and think what is going on. So right here is gonna be the completed result. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.